生态兴则文明兴，生态衰则文明衰。齐民要术中有顺天时、量地利，则用力少而成功多的技术。这些观念都强调要把天地人统一起来，把自然生态同人类文明联系起来，按照大自然规律活动。始建于战国时期的都江堰，距今已有2000多年历史，就是根据岷江的洪涝规律和成都平原悬江的地势特点，因势利导建设的大型生态水利工程。
顺天时量地利，则用力少而成功多。This line represents the Chinese wisdom on where man stands in front of Mother Nature. From Dujiangyan to today's China, Singapore Tianjin Eco City, ecology is the key. Harmony between man and nature always challenge human intellect and conscience. Now let's meet Mr. Cohen to explore this idea. Hi, Jason.
Hi, George.
Nice to see you.
It's a pleasure.
Let's meet the museum. Jason, why don't we start with the quotation on how the Chinese view nature. Act according to the laws of the nature and the local geography. You can make more with less. Is there similar expressions in other cultures?
In my culture, that ancient quote is talking about doing more with less. How can a person or a company produce more output with less time or with fewer resources?
Do you think culturally those philosophies are dictating how we think, how we act, how we respond to the challenges?
Absolutely. I think that this is really inspiring people.
Have you seen examples of how the Chinese living the philosophy in their work and their life?
The North-South connection in the Tang Dynasty, it allowed people, without really changing the environment, allowed people to transport and move things more easily, which then was able to encourage better development of the inner lands.
And the modern manifestation of this philosophy probably is how we make our climate policies right now. Is it a way to live in harmony with nature without putting too much footprints on it?
I definitely believe so. I think China, we've had a lot of experiences with this. Since I first started coming to China, I've seen major improvements in the environment, and you can see the aerosol optical depth, the particles in the air. The visibility is getting better. The aerosol optical depth is going down. It's improving. We can live with nature if we respect its boundaries.
In your opinion, what does an ideal, livable, ecologically friendly city look like?
For example, now we're in the Tianjin Eco City. This place was built from the ground up. It was a polluted saltwater area in the past. People live surrounded by greenery, so they have more ability around them to absorb the emission. They're able to stay better protected from the waves, the heat extremes, the rain extremes. They live a happier, healthier life. Each of us has our own local knowledge, and that can help us to provide better solutions. I think and hope that we can find more and more ways to culturally and realistically and within harmony of nature try to better evaluate what the consequences.
Tell us your life here.
Yeah, I find my life a lot more peaceful. I have a lot more time to do some soul searching, but also, with a good environment comes a clear mind.
地面上都有这种雨水收集系统，它会把这水抽出来浇这个花花草草，就降低能源再利用嘛。
I enjoy working and living in Eco City. This also allows me to get to know the people in the city and feel more connected to my community.
Human society is trying to shift to an environment-friendly manner. That involves everything, from the methods we build our houses and roads to the way we work and live.
生态环境是人类生存和发展的根基，人类是命运共同体，保护生态环境是全球